Take a look at the temperatures. Not bad if you're a runner lately with the cooler temperatures. 77 was the high temperature here in Eugene, 79 in Roseburg, topping out in the low 70s in North Bend. Same story for Central Oregon. It's pretty comfortable for all of us, but the days of comfortable weather, at least 70-degree weather, are coming to an end here for a little bit. That high of 77, that is our exact average high for this time of year. No more 80s, no more 90s, at least for that two-day stretch. 91 is the record, and that was set back in 1991. A sign that we are getting closer and closer to fall as those record high temperatures drop. I'll tell you what, though, this weekend we're going to be closer again to record highs than we are to the average highs. We did, though, manage to get a little bit of rainfall here in the September month. 0.01 inches was what we got yesterday in Eugene, not really helping out that deficit much. Those of you in Roseburg got nearly 1/10 of an inch of rainfall, and out along the coast, almost 1/4 of an inch there. So good news that was in southern Oregon, where we need it even worse. This morning we have some cloud cover out there, mainly a little bit of fog and some low clouds. What's out there, though, is burning up pretty quickly as high pressure makes its way in from the west. Another ridge of high pressure is going to move in for this weekend, which is going to bring up that warmer air from the south. High pressure always clears out the cloud cover, so we don't have to worry about that. Full sunshine overhead. And then on top of that, yet another round of east winds. We've seen events like this nearly every weekend this summer, at least through August and September. This is something that we normally see a few times this summer, but not week after week after week like we have been. So this is going to bring in another round of warm weekend with clear skies overhead. Those offshore winds all means warmer temperatures are on the way once again. And you can see how quickly those clouds burn up this afternoon on Stormcast. This is this morning, but just as soon as that sun gets up and going, there goes any clouds that are out there. Clear skies even for the coast, and that marine layer continues to push several hundred miles offshore. That stays the case through the weekend. It won't be until Sunday night that we start to see some of those clouds returning to the south coast. Won't see those in the valley until Monday. So highs will be back into the low 70s along the coast today, mostly sunny and mild for you. For the Umpqua Basin, it's back into the mid 80s today, mostly sunny. This is that transition day from the cooler weather to the much warmer weather that we'll see this weekend. Traveling through the Cascades, you'll find upper 70s in the foothills, back into the mid 70s when you get up near the pass. Central Oregon also headed back to the mid 70s under sunny skies for you. The Willamette Valley's headed back to the low 80s. Winds will be out of the north today. We'll start to get some more easterly component to that as we head into this weekend, and that's really going to help the coast to warm up. You'll continue to see clear skies there and temperatures near 70. The south coast could easily get back up near 80 degrees this weekend. The Umpqua Basin, it's mid 90s for you on Saturday, still 92 on Sunday. And then we slowly transition back to the 70s by the middle part of the week with chances for rainfall you can see here on Wednesday and Thursday. And actually the storm that's headed our way for the end of next week actually looks pretty substantial. For the Cascades, sunny and warm through the weekend, but a chance for thunder showers Monday night, and then better chances for rain as we get to the end of the week. And for the Willamette Valley, again, we climb back to the upper 80s on both Saturday and Sunday. It only lasts for 2 days, though, back to 80 degrees as we kick off the fall season officially at 7:29 Monday night, and then we'll see chances for rain on both Wednesday and Thursday.